As you know, WordPress is constantly updating its platform, but one thing that is not been changed since a lot of time, that is the WordPress dashboard experience. So you can see same old boring links and the dashboard is looking clutter. So especially if you are running a WooCommerce website, then the WordPress dashboard looks like a mess. So you can fix that. You can customize each and every part of your WordPress dashboard using a plugin, and that is called WP Adminify. So this is a free plugin and you can upgrade to pro version to unlock extra features. So we will cover everything in this video. So we will review the plugin WP Adminify. Let's check what are the features that you will get on this plugin. So if you click on the features, you will get a lot of features. So you can see you will customize your dashboard. You can change its color. You can customize your admin menu. You can add different options, like you can organize your post pages, media files in folders, and you can one click reorder. You will get some security options, performance option. You will get code snippet option. You can white label your WordPress dashboard. So you can add your own logo in the dashboard. And here you will get custom admin page, dark mode, disable comments, redirect URL. So you will get all these options. Disable admin notice, post duplicator, heartbeat control. So this plugin can replace a lot of plugins and help you customize your WordPress dashboard. So let's install the plugin and check what are the features you will get on this plugin. So for this, let me log into my WordPress dashboard and I will simply click on plugins and I will click on add plugin. Now I will simply search for WP Adminify, and here you will find the plugin. Just click on install and activate this plugin. So I will include the link of this plugin in the description. Just click on that and download the plugin, and you can upload the plugin here as well. Let me activate the plugin, and this is the dashboard of Adminify where you can control your dashboard. So first option is the Adminify UI. Let me enable that and let me hit save changes. And as you can see, it will instantly change our WordPress dashboard experience. So you can see all these menus here, and you can see here these options. You can enable dark mode, light mode, and you can open your site as well. And let me add a logo, and let me add this logo. Now your own logo is added in the dashboard. Now you can enable different options, like you can enable the search option, you can enable the notification icon and light and dark mode switcher. So you can see all these options. Now let's move on to the admin menu, and you can customize the menu order here. So first one is the dashboard, then post pages, media, and then we have better docs plugin. So you can rearrange all these options. Suppose I want to add the plugins in the beginning and I want to add media after that, and let me keep the post in the beginning and let hit save changes. And as you can see, post is now coming in the beginning, and then we have plugins and then media. So you can arrange all these admin menu from here like this. Now click on setting and you can set different options. You can set it vertically or you can set it as horizontal menu, but this is available in pro version. So let's click on style, and here you can control all these settings. You can change the font size, line height, letter spacing. You can set the vertical padding, and you can set the menu wrapper. And here you can change menu colors as well, notification color, sub menu color. So you have all these options there. Now let's click on productivity, and here you can enable folder option. So you can enable folder for post pages, and you can enable folder for media. So you can arrange your post and pages in different folders. So let me hit save changes and let's test it out. So let's go to media and click on media library, and here you can see folders. So let me create a new folder and let me set a color here. Let me create a new folder, person. So let me click on bulk select and let me select all these options and let me drag it to person. Media is now added to the person folder. Now let's click on all. Now let me select all the sample images. So let me click on bulk select. Let me select all the sample images and let me drag it to sample folder. And as you can see, all my media are now added to sample folder. So this is how you can organize your media files. So you can do the same with post. Let me click on all post, and here you can create different folders and arrange your post in folders. So all these options are there, so you can arrange all your post, pages, media files in different folders. Now let's go to WP Adminify. Let's click on productivity, and here you will get different options, like you can create custom dashboard and sidebar widgets. You can set post type order, so you can set it for post, pages, and you can enable or disable sortable media files on list view. So let me enable this. Now you can enable menu duplicator, so you can duplicate your predefined menus like header menu, footer menu, and all these options. You can enable post duplicator options, so you can easily duplicate your post and pages. And you have custom admin columns, so you can show comment ID, URL path, and all these options, so you can enable that. And you can set media setting, so you can display post thumbnails on RSS. So you have all these options. So let me hit save changes. Now let's move on to the security settings. So you can redirect URLs, you can click on header security, and you can disable XML RPC. You can remove the WordPress generator version, and you can remove all these options, like you can disable self ping back option, you can disable feed links, you can disable REST API, or you can disable comments on post and pages, and you can redirect unused archive pages to home pages, or you can upload your custom gravatar images. So all these options are there here in this security tab. Now let's move on to performance tab, and here you can disable embeds, which is in pro version, and here you can remove dash icons from front end. You can remove versions from styles and script. You can remove emoji styles and script from head section. So by disabling all these options, you will improve your WordPress performance. And you can also disable Gutenberg. If you are using page builder like Elementor, then you can safely disable Gutenberg. Now let's hit save changes. So this plugin can replace a lot of plugins. So you can see you can add custom CSS. So this is the admin script, and this is the front end script. So admin script will be added like this, and if you want to enable front end script, then you can install this custom header footer plugin. Just click on install now, click on front end snippet, and you can add your custom snippet here like this. So you can set it in header, footer, before content or after content. So all these options are there like this. Now you can white label your dashboard. So you can see developed by WP Adminify, powered by WordPress. So you can change all this. Let's say I want to change that. So here you can replace your website URL, and here you can set it like to blogging, or you can set your name here. And let me copy it, and let me change the text here like this, and let me remove this option, powered by WordPress. And you can show IP address, show PHP version, show WordPress version. So let me hit save changes, and here as you can see developed by Key2 blogging. Here let's click on backup, and you can get a backup file here, so you can export and download it to your computer, and later you can import that settings to your other websites. So let's install the pro version, and let's check the functions as well. So for this, let me go to plugins. I will click on add a plugin, and here you can see the personal plan is costing you $55 per year, and in business plan you will get it around $77 per year. So you can see all these features here like this. Just click on see all features, and you can explore all the features of this plugin here. So let's install the pro version here. So let me click on upload, and let me click on choose file, and let me upload the pro version. Now let me click on complete WP Adminify activation now, and you need to paste the license key. So let me click on license, let me copy it, and let me click on activate. And here you can enable all these different theme style. So I like this one, this is looking good. And you can set a custom background as well, so you can now set a image. Now let's go to the admin menu option, and here you will get some more options, like you can add custom items. So you can set a custom menu, and you can add your links. So let's suppose I want to set a direct link to a page. So what I can do is, let me set contact, and I will add a contact or page link here. Now you can set a custom icon as well, and let me hit save changes. Now let me scroll down, and as you can see, your custom link is now added to your menu. Let me click on that. Now it will directly take me to the contact us page. So this is how we can add custom menus to your WordPress dashboard using the Pro plugin. Now let's click on settings, and you can enable horizontal menu as well. Let me click on save settings. Now you will get a full screen layout, and all the options are now added horizontally. So this will completely change the WordPress dashboard experience. So you can see, if you go to settings, you can easily access all these settings using the plugin. Now let's click on productivity options, and you can enable admin notice. So you can hide admin notice. So let's say if you install a plugin, then it will show different type of pop-ups, and the pop-ups keeps coming. So you can hide all those admin notices using the plugin. And you can remove the welcome panel, you can remove the PHP update require option, or you can hide plugin update notice or theme update notice. So all these options are there. So let me enable these options, and you can also disable screen options and help section. Let's suppose if you go to any pages, and here you will see an option like help section. If you don't want that option, you can simply click on hide, and let me hit save settings. Now let me refresh this page, and as you can see, the same help setting is now gone. You can also remove the screen option as well from here. Just tick mark this option, and the screen option settings will be removed from all of the screens. Now you can enable folder for post and pages. I don't want it on post, I can keep it on pages. And you can also enable it for custom post types if you are using the Pro version of WP Adminify. And you can create a custom admin pages as well. And you can add different type of dashboard and welcome widgets. So let me just show you how it works. What I can do is, I will just go to WP Adminify, click on dashboard widgets. Now let me click on add new widget, and you can create a widget here. So let me set a custom widget like notes, and here you can add your content, you can customize it, or you can add icons here, you can add video, you can add short code to display in the front page, you can add RSS feed, or you can add your custom script as well. So for now, let me add a sample widget. So let me copy all this text, and let me paste it here. Now I can set a role. So let me select it as admin, and as you can see, your custom widgets is added. So you can see notes, and you can display notes here, you can add videos, you can add short codes, or you can display content using feeds or script. So all these options are there. Now let's move on to the next settings. Let's click on security, and you can redirect URLs. So you can hide your login URLs. So you can set a URL here. Let's say hide me 101. So instead of WP admin, you can go to your website / hide me 101, and then you can access your backend. So all these options are there. So WP Adminify is a very good plugin that helps you customize your WordPress dashboard, and it also helps you replace a lot of plugins. And here with this plugin, you will get a lot of options as we have discussed in this video. So if you have doubt, then you can ask me in the comment section, and I have included the plugin link in the description. So make sure to download it and try it out, and let me know what is your experience with the plugin. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. Thank you.